Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is Tawhid Mia from HMTMCSE.com. Today's episode we were going to learn basic about git, pull, push and commit. In this section we are going to cover git pull, git status, git add, git commit, git push. Here we will use CLI, that means command prompt, git bash. Okay, for that, if you're not familiar with git cloning system and how to work with GitHub, then don't worry about that. If you want, then you can follow my description for previous video. There I added how to clone a project from GitHub repository and other repository, and how to create GitHub and other repositories. It will help. I hope it will help you if you're not familiar with this git command. Okay, let's start. For this tutorial I will cover that git pull, git status, git add and git commit. After that, git push. Okay, let's start. Here I already cloned one project, that name is git java crash course. Okay, now in this directory I am opening my git bash. This is my git bash. It's saying my branch is master. Okay, don't worry about the branches and etc. We will learn this branches thing in our separate video. Here if I give a pull, git pull, then pull, actually git pull data from remote repository to local repository. Here you are seeing it showing that the project is already up to date. Now in this case I am going to add a file into my repository. Okay, here I am going to new. You can use any of your editor or whatever you can. You will add the files in your repository. For my case I am using that a new text document. I am renaming this Bismillah. Now I am going to open this file and adding some of text here. This is Bismillah file. Okay, saved it. So if I come back here and give a git status command, then you are seeing here is untracked file. The name is bismillah.txt. okay, for simplicity I wrote some of steps how to git pull push steps. Here first thing we will git pull, then add, remove or modify some of file or directory. We already created a file here bismillah.txt. after that we will give a status for check what status in our current repository. After that we will add that file into our git index. Then we will check again our status. It's optional. If you want, then you can skip this step. Then we will commit these changes to our repository. After that we will again check the status. It's also optional. Then we will push that file. If you're not familiar with git pull, push and etc., or if you want to learn more about this, then I created a text file and I will add this information into my description so that you can follow these things for more learning. Okay, in this step we are going to add this file into our we created and status. Now we are going to add this file into our index. For that, here it already suggested git add file name to include it what will be the committed. Okay, now I'm going to write a command git add, then file name. Our file name is bismillah. I'm pressing tab from my keyboard. Okay, now pressing enter. Okay, here if I type git status, see now the file is green color. That means the change is already added into our index. Now what should we have do? We have to commit this file into our repository. Okay, Now for that I am writing git commit 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 minus m, then one of comment. For every commit you should specify a meaningful comment, so that in future if you want, then you can see what changes or what action performed by this commit. Okay, for my case I am adding a meaningful comment, that means created bismillah file for test pull push. Okay, if I press enter, then it will edit this file into my current branch. Okay, don't worry about branch. Now I am again writing the status. See, there is nothing changes. Okay, for what will be the next step, that is the push. Before push I am going to show you actually the project stored here. If I reload this project, here you are seeing in Java crash course only one file in this project. Okay, now I am going to push, that means I am going to add my local files to remote repository. For that, git push and pressing enter. See, it performs sum of operation and it saying that the file is pushed to my remote repository. Okay, in this case if I reload this, see the bismillah file is here. This is the bismillah file. Okay, alright, here you are seeing the commit, the created branch created bismillah file for the pull push, test pull push. Okay, in this way you can commit, change and push your codes into remote repositories. I hope you guys enjoy this video or learn something from this video. If you have any question or any confusion, please let me into my comment so that I can help you for your improvement. Thanks again. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.